So I got this straw off the TikTok shop. Hick away straw. It's supposed to help eliminate your hiccups by just sipping water through this straw. And I finally have the hiccups. Let's see if it works. Check it out. Okay. What the? It actually works. No way. So it's kind of hard to suck through because there is a small hole on the bottom. Also give you that pressure to reverse that spasm in your diaphragm to eliminate the hiccups. There is two settings, one's for adult and one's for a child, so everyone could use it. That's crazy. That is crazy. The straw actually worked. I just had to tell my family real quick because I am honestly impressed. I didn't think it was actually going to work. I'll put the link down below so you can get yours if you are interested. It is on sale right now in the TikTok shop, so get it before the sale runs out.